You know, one of the things we're having a lot of conversations about with end users and customers here at the LG Tech Tour is the need for customers to get a full managed services solution. And what I mean by that is no longer is it just digital signage. It's digital signage, the content creation, the content development, the hosting, the maintenance, the support, the upgrades, all that rolls into a full managed services solution. But more than that, it's the ability for a company to deliver on the connectivity, the security, and the managed Wi-Fi, all of which Hughes does from a managed services portfolio perspective. And we're seeing and having a lot of conversations about this, and it's really exciting. So come check us out, visit business.hughes.com to learn more, and we'd love to start a conversation with you.
Really excited to be here today at the LG Tech Tour. A lot of customers talking about improving the customer experience and making sure that they can reach, message employees and employee engagement, and it's unbelievable the technology that we're seeing here at this show. And especially people are interested in just driving solutions like media signage from Hughes, where our customers are actually creating new templates and new innovation to deliver messaging to their constituents and their customers.